In this portion of the video, I'm going to show you how to mount the power feed to the K-3800. Once again, this is available optionally. So the first thing we're going to do is take our T-handle bolts, which there's no tools required to install or remove the power feed, and we're going to start these on the appropriate areas on the frame. Make sure that your adjustment knob is turned out as much as possible, and you have pulled out some cable from the machine itself. So we will slide that on there and align it with the T-bolts, and then we simply just tighten these down. There's an area on the power feed that is milled to accept the bottom part of the T-bolt. So when you tighten those down, they will align themselves appropriately.